9th January 1915 marked a watershed moment in the Indian freedom struggle when Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India after successfully spearheading a civil rights movement in South Africa. The subsequent years saw him emerge as the leader of the freedom struggle, eventually culminating into the country's independence from the British in 1947. Upon his return, Gandhi undertook a journey of India on the advice of his mentor Gopal Krishna Gokhale. In 1917, Gandhi launched Satyagrah, a form of civil resistance movement to fight for the rights of indigo farmers in Champaran in the present-day Bihar state. This was only the stepping stone for Gandhi. Indians from all walks of life joined his campaign, which was based on ahimsa or non-violence, satyagrah and non-cooperation. Gandhi, who was honored with the title of Mahatma or the Great Soul, was vocal about issues that resonated with ordinary Indians. The Dandi March or the Salt Satyagrah was a testament to this. In 1930, Gandhi, along with 78 volunteers, led a march to the coastal town of Dandi in Gujarat. Over the course of more than 20 days, thousands of people joined the march, which saw Gandhi break the salt law imposed by the British. With the call for do or die in 1942, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement to end the colonial rule in India. The British responded with a brutal crackdown. Gandhi and other independence leaders, along with thousands of ordinary Indians, were jailed. When Gandhi was released in 1944, the British were in talks with the Muslim League for the partition of India based on religious lines. Gandhi vehemently opposed the partition. When communal violence broke out, he traveled across riot-hit areas calling for peace. On 30th January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, was assassinated. To say that this was the end of an era would be an understatement.
From Martin Luther King Jr. to Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi has influenced leaders across the globe. Decades after independence, he continues to inspire Indians. His ideas like self-sufficient economy not only remain relevant but are intrinsic to India. With camera person Naveen Kumar, this is Anu Kaushik reporting for DD India.